Here and to stand in solidarity with our colleagues in the People's Front for Freedom and to stand boldly as Uganda People's Congress and to make it clear that us in the Uganda People's Congress are standing on the side of justice, on the side of truth, and on the side of politics which is free. We talk about East African integration. I think the president has been so much on East African integration and the need for these East African countries to come together. Now we have an opportunity to demonstrate where you have a long-standing professional in both politics, in legal matters, and across East Africa is coming to represent a Ugandan who is innocent until proven guilty. This professional comes and lands in Uganda, and because somebody feels that this person does not need representation or this person should not come to Uganda, us as Ugandans face the embarrassment of deporting a great international jurist or a great international figure who has stood on the side of justice for a lifetime. This is the future which Uganda has. We're making news for the wrong reason. We talk about integration, but we're trying to disintegrate even our own country. We're disintegrating our own politics. This is not the Uganda we aspire for. This is not the Uganda which we live for. Ugandans must work for Uganda. Our politics must be free. We cannot be having our leaders in jail, and we're here speaking to the media time and time again, yet the thing continues to repeat itself. We cannot, as Ugandans, we cannot continue in this direction. And those in authority need to act. Uganda should not be a laughingstock of all the nations. Our politics should not be a laughingstock. Let us be honest with one another. Let us be free with one another. Let us be empathetic to one another. Uganda is bigger than all of us. We all have our different views or different positions. But we should be able to do our politics openly in Uganda. So as UPC, we are going to continue to push for the politics. We're going to continue to push for the freedom. We're going to continue to speak even when we're told that this is not the right thing to say. It has to be said. What we have is a capture of an office which is being abused. We have a capture of a government which is being abused. I even have sympathy at some stage to the judiciary. How do you dispense justice under threat? But this country must work. So as politicians and as a political player, I will do everything in my power to see that this happens. I'll stand together with my colleagues and we will fight this matter until in the end the people of Uganda are free and are able to practice their politics without interference. Until that day comes, let us remain firm. Let us speak the truth to power. I thank you all.
Amplifying what my colleagues have just said. For those of us who have been here for some time, I was here during Amin's regime. I was here during Oboteto's regime. I was young during Obote One's regime. What I have observed is that the ugly head of our bad history, the ugly evil of our bad history is rearing its head. When you see what is going on today, when Parliament is being attacked, when judiciary is being attacked, when the executive is captured by one individual, you realize that the country is destined to a stateless country. It is very, very unfortunate. What is going on today is not about denying Dr. Kizza Besigye or Lukwago Elias a bail. What is going on today is to silence all the voices that should have come out to speak. And a few years from now, nobody is going to be holding a press conference like this if this one continues. But my strong caution to the government, to those in government, is that the moment people keep quiet, the moment people fail to vent, when they vent out, nobody is going to survive. They will not have control on what is going to happen when people who have kept silent for some time, decide to now go and express their views after they have kept quiet for a long time. What happened in Sudan is the same as what is happening today. There was a time when in Sudan you could not speak as a politician, and they think they will succeed in silencing us. But the moment we shall react, the moment the country shall react, this country shall sink into anarchy. And that is what we are trying to avoid. So what they are doing is not only to deny Dr. Kizza Besigye, is not to incarcerate the NUP supporters, but they are trying to silence the whole country so that by the time Muhoozi comes, nobody shall have the guts to speak out. That is very dangerous for a community. The moment they realize that, what they do, nobody can confront it. So I'm just, amplifying, I'm just echoing what my colleagues have said to caution, more especially General Muhoozi, that he cannot do what he's doing and succeeds. He cannot succeed it with Ugandans. It cannot even succeed anywhere else in the world. History has said it, and it cannot change. Thank you very much.